Okay, so this is a mobile TV stand on wheels that I've just assembled. We got this for our office. Now, we were specifically looking for one that will do landscape and portrait views on a TV or a monitor, and this one was absolutely fine. It goes anywhere from 23-inch TV, can hold up to 60-inch TV, and it can support a weight up to 35 kilograms. So pretty decent. It is the sort of TV stand that you would see in an office or maybe a conference room, and we particularly liked it because it had this little stand there, which is perfect for my laptop. Assembly was super simple. You do get everything you need, a spanner and an Allen key. I'll be honest, I used a little cordless drill just to make the Allen key process quicker. It went together. This is on a time lapse, but I would say it took about 20 minutes in total. You also end up with a bag of nuts and bolts for mounting the TV as well. You can see that big plastic bag there, I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, super mobile. Each wheel does lock independently, so you can lock all four wheels down. And yeah, suitable for any TV between 23 and 60 inch. And like I say, you can rotate it. I particularly wanted our monitor to be vertical so we can see comments on videos. And this is absolutely perfect. So yeah, there's all the bolts you get. That is for attaching the TV to the bracket, so every brand and make is kind of covered. Yeah, if you're looking to buy one, it's a mobile TV stand. Absolutely brilliant. It wasn't a problem whatsoever. I loved it.